You sure you know all the words? 'Cause it took Applejack a pretty long time to get it down.
Did it now?
We all love our brothers and our fathers and mothers. We honor them like every family should. But there's something that's quite unique when my sister's there with me, and we share that special bond of sisterhood. Sisterhood is a special kind of friend. Sisterhood is a bond that never ends. It's not always perfect. You might fight or be misunderstood, but together you'll always have sisterhood.
Sisterhood!
Sisterhood.
Sisterhood!
Sisterhood.
Sisterhood!
Sisterhood.
No! Yep!
Okay, boys,